Hello audiophile. Today I will show you how to remove and put back Sony WH-1000XM2 earpads cushions. These are great active noise-cancelling headphones. So today I'll show you how you can easily remove and then replace old or broken earpad cups. Just buy new replacement earpads and restore your headphones at home. To remove the earpads, you'll need a butter knife, or any other instrument you can slide along the side of the earpad. Then, with a little help, pull off the earpad. As you can see, it is held in place by 6 hooks on the body of the headphones. The other earpad cushion can be removed in the same way. It's not difficult, just be careful not to break any of the plastic hooks. If you put new earpads on your headphones, you can also replace this foam filter, which absorbs some of the earwax. Links to new replacement earpads and foam filters will be in the video description. Putting the foam filter back in is very easy. You can't put it in wrong, as it will interfere with the lower foam part. Likewise, the earpads, the small hole is down, and then push ear cup to headphones housing. So that the hooks hook into the headphones body, you can press the earpad all the way around, so that all the hooks hook in. That's it. In the same way, attach the other earpad by pressing into the headphone body. It was really easy to do. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck.